Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So today we are going to get a little bit Tide wasted. My coupon supplier is thebomb.com. I always get the question, where do I get my coupons from? I get them from Sam's couponclippingcenter.com. I will put her information up on the screen and down below so you can check her out. Please tell her that I sent you. She's the bomb. So I got my Tide coupons that just came through from her. Let me show you. Can y'all see that? We got $3 off Tide coupons, you guys, coming in this Sunday's paper. I took a look at the early inserts for Walgreens and CVS for next week, and based on how those inserts are looking, how those weekly ads are looking, I would come out the same going ahead and doing the deals now with the 20% off coupon at Walgreens and the ECB deals at CVS. So I'm going to go ahead and go by those stores now along with Walmart with these coupons and put them all to use. And of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me. So without further ado, let's go shopping. Okay, so first stop up today is Walmart. So we are going to grab first some of the Tide liquid laundry detergent. It is $4.94 regular price. We are going to use the $3 off coupon. That makes it $1.94, and then we are going to redeem back for $2 on Ibotta, making it free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. We are going to do the same thing on the Tide Pods. So they are $4.94. We're going to use this $3 off coupon, bringing them down to $1.94. We're going to redeem back from $2 from Ibotta, making them free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. And then lastly, I'm going to do the Brazil deal again. Even though it's not the subject of our video today, it's still an awesome deal. So this also has a $2 Ibotta rebate on it. I have a $2 off one internet printable coupon. So that will bring it down to $2.94. And I will redeem from $2 back from Ibotta, making it 94 cents. So let me add these all to my cart. 3 items here. Let's go check out. Okay, you guys, so first stop is complete. I got my 2 Tide items and my Persil. After my coupons, here's my receipt. I paid a total of $6.82 plus tax. And then I have already submitted here in the car to get $6 back from Ibotta. So again, that's $6.82 plus tax. I will be getting $6 back from Ibotta, making the total cost for those 3 items 82 cents plus tax. Yeah, we're doing good. So let's go on to Walgreens. Okay, now we're in Walgreens, and I am going to pick up some Tide here. I have the 20% off coupon that I'm going to use to do a $20 transaction, and the Tide items are on sale this week. Buy 3 at $4.99, get 1 free. So because they're buy 3, get 1 free, we cannot use a coupon on the free item, but we can use 3 coupons on the $4.99 items. So I am going to do these $3 off coupons on one of the Tide liquid and one of the Tide Pods, because the coupon has a limit of 1 like coupon per transaction. So I'll do 1 Tide Pod, 1 liquid, and then I'm going to use a $2 off coupon from the P&G on the second Tide liquid that I can use a coupon on. And then on the last one, I will not use a coupon per the coupon policy. So let me grab a couple other items as well, because we need to get to $20. And with these being 4 for like $14.97, we will not make it to 20. So to get my total up to $20, I am going to grab some of this Colgate Optic White Mouth Rinse. It is on sale for $3.99, and then when you buy 3, you're going to get 5,000 points. I am going to use this $5 off 3 internet printable coupon on these, plus that 20% off coupon, so we can come out good. Okay, so here is our Walgreens cart review with everything we got. We got the 3 Colgate Optic White, going to use that $5 off coupon. We have 3 liquid Tide detergents, 1 $2 off coupon, 1 $3 off coupon, and then 1 $3 off coupon for the Tide Pods. I am also going to use this $2 register reward that I picked up as well. well on my last shopping trip. Let's check out. Okay, you guys, so that transaction was the perfect transaction. It came out so beautiful. So I got my 4 Tides and my 3 Colgate mouthwashes. I used the 20% off coupon. Here is my receipt. There is the Tide, so 3 of them rang out $4.99. The 20% off coupon took off $1 off each one. There's the free one, and then the Colgate there. I used that 20% off coupon. I used the $2 off coupon plus 2 of the $3 off coupons, and then I had that register reward for $2 off as well. My subtotal came out to $4.54. After taxes, it was $6.05. I redeemed $5 in points and only paid $1.05, which was just the taxes. So I paid $1.05 with my 5,000 points, and then I got my 5,000 points right back from the Colgate. So $1.05 in taxes only for the 4 Tide and the 3 Colgate mouthwashes. That was a beautiful transaction, you guys. So happy with that. Let's go on to our last stop, which is CVS. Okay, you guys, so we are in CVS, which is the final stop for today. And here the Tide Pods are on sale for $4.94, and then when you spend $20, you are going to get back a $5 extra care buck. And because the Tide liquid is not on sale, well, it is, but the big bottles only, the regular 50-ounce bottles are not on sale, I am just going to get some Tide Pods, and then I'm also going to get 1 bag of the Gain Flings because I have a $2 off digital coupon on the Gain Flings. So I am going to use 3 of the $3 off 1 paper coupons on the Tide Pods. I'm sorry, y'all. I know y'all are going to light me up for using 3 of those coupons. You can break up those transactions if you would like to, but I don't have time for all that today. So we're going to get 3 of these, use 3 of those $3 off 1 coupons, use 1 digital coupon on the Gain. It should come out to like 94 cents a bag. I will show you the final breakdown after I check out. Okay, so I'm looking at the clearance, and this is still on clearance in my store. It is 75% off. So the original price on it was $39.99, and now it is 75% clearance for $9.99. I'm going to see, I have a $3 off coupon for any Neutrogena acne product, and then I have this $3 off CRT. If I can stack these, take $6 off, and make this product $3.99, which will make it 90% off. Let's see if that works out to you. Alrighty, so here is a cart review for everything we are getting from CVS. Got our Neutrogena light mask, our 3 Tide Pods, and then the Gain Flings. I am also going to use $11 in extra care bucks, of course, to bring down that out of pocket. So let's go check out. Alrighty now, so our final trip is complete. We just hit CVS. We are loaded up on the Tide Pods. We got some Gain Flings. We got some Persil. And I was able to get the Neutrogena light acne mask for the price that I thought it was going to come out to. So let me show you my receipt. So there's the Gain Flings, the Tide Pods, and the Neutrogena light mask. Look at the breakdown on that light mask, you guys. It came out to 78 cents after all my coupons. Those are all the coupons that I used. My subtotal was $1.75. After taxes, I paid $3.83. I had a 97% savings, and I got back $5 in extra care bucks for the Tide. So yeah, we had a good day today. We are definitely Tide wasted. I will recap everything when I get home. Alrighty, you guys, so we are back at home and our quick little shopping trips are complete. This is the total final tally of everything that we picked up today from Walmart, Walgreens, and CVS. So at Walmart, we spent a total of 82 cents plus tax because we have already gotten our $6 back from Ebates. It is on its way back to my bank account. And then at Walgreens, we spent a total of $1.05 cash out of pocket. And then at CVS, we spent $1.75 plus tax. So that makes our grand total today for all of the items that you see here $3.62 plus tax, y'all. I think we did good. Even after taxes, what do we pay? $6 total for everything. Considering that just the Neutrogena product was $39.99, I think today was a winning day. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, please check out Sam's Coupon Clipping Center for your clipped coupons. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye, you guys.